Alright guys, sorry I'm not there today, but I'm going to video to you how to do the value part of your portraits. So far, everybody should have done the contour line drawing of their features. Okay, make sure that you use your pencil and you measure, okay, your eyes, your nose, alright, everything should look like it belongs there. After you have all of your features down, we're going to start doing the shading. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our pencils, okay? A sharp point is no good for shading, okay? A sharp point on your pencil is going to make lines like this that don't blend easy, okay? What we want is we want nice, smooth lines, okay? So see the difference? One is scribbly, one is not. So, if you have a pencil point that is sharp, what you need to do is flip your paper over and you need to just color for a second. Okay? What that's going to do is it is going to dull down your pencil point. Okay? After, I want you guys to practice going from dark to light and fading away into white. So from dark to light, fading into your paper. Okay, do this a few times until you think you have the hang of it. When we look at your face, okay, I do not want you guys to just take your pencil and start coloring like this. Okay, that's no good. We're going to look. If you look at your cheekbones, okay, the skin goes like this. So that's how we're going to shade. Not up and down, but with the contours of our face. Alright, so start, and don't forget, we're using our reference images. This is our reference image. If the shadow is not there, do not put it there. We're not inventing shadows. Okay, so I'm going to look at my nose. And I see this shadow here. I'm going to put that in here. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to start out really light. I'm barely pressing with my pencil. Okay, you see how I'm not making straight lines? Okay, they almost look like eyelash lines, right? That's what I want. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to make lines that are a little bit lighter. Okay? And I'm going to go in, I'm going to make these a little bit darker. Alright, you can turn your paper to make it easier. Alright, and I want you to make everything blend in. I do not want you to come in here and go, oh, there we go. There's my darkest value. No straight lines, okay? It's very hard to get rid of and it's going to flatten out your face. Okay, so once you have your dark feature, okay, there's my dark value. You go a little bit lighter. You are going to do this all over your face. Okay, pay attention. So, here my lines are going to go like this. Okay? When I get down to this part of my face, I'm going to change the directions of my lines. Okay, so shading down here, my lines are going to go like this. Okay, over the bridge of my nose. My lines are going to go like this. Okay? For your eyelid, do not just scribble in your eye. Okay? And the whites of your eyes are not just pure white. If you look at your photo, okay, you can see that in here, there's shadow. Alright? So you're going to take your pencil. You're going to put that shadow in there. Okay? So in this picture, my eye is almost completely black. So in here, my eye is going to be almost completely black. Okay. My eyelashes. We don't really see my eyelashes that much, so again, we're paying attention to the lines and the shapes that are there, not the lines and the shapes that we know. Okay? For hair, hair is tricky. First of all, for the eyebrow, you're going to pay attention to the directional strokes of your eyebrows. I have hairs that go up this way, and then they curve and go this way. So, I got hairs that go up this way, and then they start to curve. Okay? You don't have to draw each individual hair, but you want your strokes to kind of look like you're drawing each individual hair. Okay? Here's my eyebrow. For the rest of your hair, hair is tricky. I'm going to flip this over to the back. Okay. For hair, here is the shape of my hair. Okay? We're just going to draw. Okay, here's my head. And we're going to say this is my hair. It's poofy, it's quick, I know. The light, if the light is coming from here, okay, there's going to be a highlight on your hair right there, which means that your hair is going to be dark here and dark here and really light here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw dark, 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 and then we're going to draw a little bit lighter and a little bit lighter, a little lighter, a little lighter, until we're making almost no lines in this circle. And we're going to go back and we're going to smooth it out. Dark, 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 a little lighter. You can make long strokes if you want. And then we're going to get really light here. What this is going to do is it's going to give your hair depth, instead of making it look like you just colored black onto your paper. Because our pictures are so dark, you might have to add a highlight or two, okay? So your hair might not have a highlight on it, but if we don't put that highlight in, your hair is going to look really funny. Alright, so this is one of those times that we can add something that's not there. Alright, you see how I'm not just going scribbling, okay? I'm kind of making tick marks. Okay, so see how that kind of looks like hair? If you have wavy hair, okay, the shape of your hair is going to go like this. Okay, now you know that if the light is coming from here, it's going to hit your hair on the high spots of the curl. So there's going to be a highlight there, highlight here, and a highlight here. So these are going to be your dark spots, and they're going to get lighter as you get closer to the highlight. Okay? I hope that that makes sense for you guys. Take your time. Remember the directional strokes for your face. Okay? Follow the contour lines. I will be back soon. Do what you can. Okay? I do not want you to start out with your darkest value. Do not come in your face here and go, oh, I have a shadow here, so let me make a big bold line. No. Start with your lightest value first, okay? Light and work to dark. Okay? So far your portraits look great. So I think you guys can do this. Take your time. Put as much effort into shading as you did with the rest of your contour features. Alright? I'll see you guys when I get back.